get Windows 2012 server so that you can install it as a either server. So this is going to serve as your Commserve, your media agent, and also your client, Windows client, right? The other thing is it's going to serve for is your Active Directory domain controller. So we're just going to use this guy here, Windows Server 2012. You click on ISO and you press continue. Click on storage and click on data store data store browser. Create register VM, click on that. Then we're going to do create new virtual machine. Then we are going to name our virtual machine. We're going to name our server Windows Active 12. So it's a Windows server, Windows Server 2012, 64-bit. We're going to click next. Could choose our data store. Next. Yeah, well, Windows does use a lot of memory, but we're not going to do that. We're going to give it 1024 gig of RAM. Thin provision. Thin provision means I have a can of water. It's just a can, a cup rather, right? A cup of, just a cup. I have 40 gig worth of cup of whatever, right? It's just a cup. What I do is when I install the OS, it's going to fill in, I don't know, it's like 2 gig or something like that, right? So what happens is the amount of space you use is only 2 gig. So we're going to actually choose the CD-ROM. So we're going to choose our what do you call it? Our Windows 2012 server. I'm going to choose that. Make sure it's good. Connected. Yep, good. Okay, next. And this is a summary tab saying, okay, this is what you're doing. This is all the nice little cool stuff, etc., etc. Yeah, good. Finish. Grade it. So right click on it and we'll go power up, power on. Yeah. So you can either do right click console, open browser console. You can do open a new window, launch remote console. But if you do this one, you have to download this VMRC, which means you have to go to VMware's website and then log in and download their stuff. We're just doing the open browser console. So this is nice. So this is Windows 2012. Let me make this, maybe I can make this a little bigger. Okay, there we go. So we're going to install it. We're doing the Windows 2012 Standard Edition server with GUI. So you have the data center version with GUI. We're just doing a standard. And so next. Do you agree to Microsoft's license? Of course we do. Why would we not? We're doing a custom install. Upgrade would mean like I'm upgrading from 2008 to 2012. We're just doing a custom ups. We're doing a install, fresh install. So we're going to do custom, finish, and then it's going to log us in. So here we go. Now we're able to log into the box. So let's do that. So we're logged in, and so this concludes this tutorial.